It's Gail with Traders Help Desk, and in this video I'm going to go through the weekly outlook for the Forex pairs. And the first thing that I actually notice is that we don't have any markets that are overextended to the long side or to the short side. The euro pairs are approaching the negative 50 line on the RSI. So it may have a little bit more room to move. You can see that's the euro British pound, the euro dollar, and the euro yen. Now the US dollar currencies that are starting to move up would be the USD CAD and the USD Swiss franc. The USD Swiss franc up here and the USD CAD here. Again, they are starting to turn. So, and this is on a 240-minute chart. It gives you a longer term view. As you can see, most of the other currencies are heading down. Now, in addition to that, the currencies I really want to focus on are the euro currencies, because you have a divergence on these time frames right here. And you can also see that they're oversold. Now this is the 240-minute chart. You also see that you have magenta peaks on the euro British pound and the euro yen, not yet on the 240-minute euro dollar chart. Now some of you might wonder what long divergence means. That simply means that the sellers are decreasing on the lows. You can actually see that here on the 60-minute chart. As price was making new lows, the volume was getting weaker. You also see on the euro dollar that as a new low was made, you had trend divergence on the 15-minute chart. Now again, this may go down a little bit further before it actually starts to turn. If we go and look at the euro British pound, you will see also that this one, the sellers also decreased as new lows were made. You can see that here, and you can see it here. You can also see that we had several instances of trend divergence. Again, this is the clue that this market is likely to retrace. You also see that this is starting to turn up. It simply means that more likely than not, we're going to get a retracement back to this ATR, which is right about 88.40. If we go and look at the euro yen, you can also see that you're overextended on the stochastics. And you can also see that the sellers are decreasing. Again, because we are not yet overextended on the RSI, it could still go down slightly before it actually retraces. Again, where would you expect a retracement? Back to the ATR. That's probably going to be about 135.50. So we may see some retracements this week, especially on the euro pairs, because they are overextended to the downside and a retracement is likely.